Hello, my fellow sneakerheads. This is Sneaker Resident Benjamin Scott. Welcome to the Season 2 premiere of Sneaker Jamz. And on today's episode, I'm going to show you some awesome pair of Jordan Flight shoes. And trust me, they are badass. Check this out. Look at that. Look at this. This is the Jordan Flight 3s. As you can see here, this is the replica of the Jordan 3s, but this time in high top edition. As you can see, it's all white, and I see the resemblance when you see that black line right there of the Jordan 3s, and they look very, very dope. And on the back, you can see the word flight, which means these are the Jordan Flight shoes. But they are the Jordan Flight 3s. These are my favorite. And I got these on my birthday. I was turning 30 and I thought I could do a little sneaker shopping. Got these bad boys. They were on sale at Foot Action. And they're very, very awesome. My budget was good to get these bad boys too. The Jordan Flight 3s. I can still wear these bad boys every day, every night. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I know you do. And speaking of birthdays, this year I just turned the big 30. 30 years old. Still young, active, looking good, feeling fine, tastes like wine, you know what I'm saying? And I'm feeling absolutely great. You thought season 1 was awesome. Season 2 is gonna get more bigger, because there will be more guests and there will also be more sneakers for you guys to check out. And trust me, you're gonna love every sneaker that I'm gonna show y'all on Sneaker Jamz Season 2. It's very awesome. It's very dope. And it's very, very badass. And I just want to say to all you audience out there, thank you so much for supporting yours truly for Autism Awareness Month. I appreciate the love. Please keep on supporting autism awareness, because, like I said, it doesn't matter if you have autism or any kind of disability. We are human beings, and we are proud of who we are, and we can still make our dreams come true. Can't make a difference, because we can all be independent every day, just like me. And you know, casual sneakers are still part of the fashion industry. We can dress up with them, we can dress down with them, go out, have some fun, and just be ourselves. Some guys wear dress shoes, some girls wear lady dress shoes as well. But sometimes you gotta put some sneakers in it, as in casual sneakers. And I'm telling you, casual sneakers are the best. Trust and believe that. And for season 2, I promise you, like I said, there will be new sneakers to show and also new guests to come on. So please stay tuned for more episodes of Sneaker Jamz Season 2. Now, if you want to know who my special guest is or what kind of pair of new sneakers I'm going to show in the next episode, well, that's for me to know and you to find out, as always. Well, that's all the time we have. As always, this is Sneaker Resident Benjamin Scott. I'll see you guys next time. God bless you. Peace. Catch you later. See ya.